Today we're back in Chacarita, one of the most interesting neighborhoods in Buenos Aires. One of the easiest to overlook. You won't find this on a lot of This is one neighborhood sometimes overlooked in Buenos Aires. People spend their time at places like Palermo, Recoleta, San Telmo. Don't get outside of this part of the city. So Chacarita has a little something different. Feels a little rougher around the edges. A lot more local, a little less polished. Part of what makes it so good. Definitely not over touristy. But it's got a nice, clean, safe feel to it. Got corner markets, coffee shops. As we walk through Chacarita, you'll notice a lot of older buildings with some newer buildings scattered in. People are going to school, people are going to church. It is known amongst the locals for having a great food scene and local energy. Tree-lined streets, typical of Buenos Aires. I don't think this is going to be on your list of places to just visit, but more so if you want to live in a quiet neighborhood in Buenos Aires. Chacarita might be at the top of the list or near there for the affordability. Cornered kiosco there. If you're an expat in the area, maybe your funds are limited, I'd suggest checking out Chacarita. You can find some great prices on apartments. and it's still well connected to the city. Buenos Aires is known for its public transport. Chacarita is no different. Grab you a Sube card, you're good to go. The more time you spend here, the more it'll start to make sense. You can see how quiet it is down some of these streets in Chacarita. And you can see the contrast of different buildings. This one's newer on the right, and then you have this very nice little bungalow right here in between. Another older building there. So you kind of see why people would prefer it here, as some of the busier areas of Buenos Aires that feel a little bit too touristy for them. What one of these smaller, slower, quieter neighborhoods has to offer. We did leave the area by Villa Urquiza. We were walking towards the Palermo area, which is still a ways off. And this does give a great contrast to, say, once we go over to Palermo, Recoleta, and do some videos over there, you'll be able to see how quiet it is here compared to some of those more touristy spots. Even San Telmo. There's a mural for Rodo. But yeah, you can see how if you were looking to get away from the hustle and bustle of those more popular areas in Buenos Aires, how you could see yourself living here. It's just so quiet and peaceful. Not jammed in there like some other areas. Villa Crespo was a lot more busy, even though that's a residential neighborhood. So you still get that Buenos Aires charm without the price. I think we are going to call it on this street corner. Got this nice mural here covered in vines. Be a great place to stop. I want to ask you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you made it this far. Let's try to get this channel monetized so I can put more of these bad boys out. I appreciate you taking a look at Chacarita with me.